going on, Theo?
We're in the car wash and it's going so funny.
It's crazy. We don't know what's next. It's the Whomping Willow.
The
Whomping Willow is coming to get us. No, it's going to drag us away and eat us. It's just like HB2, right? When they get the car. Am I driving? No hands. It's a torrential rainstorm. Whoa. It's like a disco.
Whoa.
There's light at the end of the tunnel. The question is, do we still have our headlight?